the payout timeline. ACH payments will take about 6 business days to settle and will then pay out the following Friday. Let's look at an example. If a payment is charged on the 15th, it will take 6 business days to settle. This means the payment will settle on the 23rd and then pay out the following Friday, which is the 24th. You will receive an email notification the following Monday, which lets you know that you have received a payout, and it will prompt you to log into the portal to run the payout statement. These notifications go out Monday mornings at 7 a.m. Central. You will only receive those notifications if you had a payout. If you have further questions, give us a call.